In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Google DNS here on Microsoft Edge. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots up in the top right corner. And from the drop down that appears, go ahead and select Settings. Now on this left sidebar over here, you're going to see an option for Privacy, Search, and Services. Select that, and from the tab that does appear here, go ahead and navigate into Security. Once you are in Security, you're going to see an option for Use Secure DNS. Go ahead and make sure this is ticked on or this is not going to work. And right underneath the option for Use Current Service Provider, you're going to see an option that says choose a service provider. Select that, and in this little tab that says enter custom provider, open it up, and it's going to pull up this pop-up where you just need to go ahead and select Google Public DNS. If it doesn't show up right away, just switch tabs and come back and it should appear. But after you do select Google Public DNS, I recommend closing out of Microsoft Edge and reopening it, and you will now be on Google DNS. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide, once again, you did have any questions, just ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.